Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in Nifty chart as downtrend. So we got one resistance at the upper level. So market was continuously in upper trend and today we got one correction. And one more thing, we had a gap here. So if market tomorrow it breaks this level, it can come all over here and it can cover this complete the gap. Or if it breaks this high, opens flat, and if it breaks this high and it can move further till this level. Or if it breaks this low and if it covers the gap and it can move further reverse back also. Now we come to Bank Nifty. We can see one complete downtrend today as it break previous lows. It was completely in a range bound. Today it break all the lows and it all the way it came to down and it took previous support and today it halted over there. So for tomorrow, if it opens flat and if it breaks this low, so it can move further down, or if it opens and if it breaks this level, it can move further higher. Today Bank Nifty is completely in downtrend and it breakdown happened and it was completely in a downtrend. Why? Because Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and everything that fell more than 1%, as you can see here. So ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank is the major stocks which comes under Bank Nifty. So these are all the stocks that resulted for today Bank Nifty down. So come to Divi Slab stock. As we can see, it break the one resistance, and if it breaks today's high and if it moves further higher, it can take the resistance of immediate this level. After breaking this, we can expect further up move in Divi Slab. One more information is like the costliest stock in stock market is MRF. As you know, MRF Limited, they are the manufacturer of tires, automobiles and everything. So this is the stock which is currently running at 1,81,000. It closed at today 1,81,000. So this is the costliest stock, or we can say the highest stock price of the stock market in India is MRF Limited. So this is for today. Meet you in the next post market analysis. Thank you.